First trimester is the crucial period for all the pregnant women. One has to be very careful during this period. First 1 to 12 weeks is called the first trimester. In this trimester, the baby is called an embryo, which rapidly develops during the end of the trimester. Now let's see your baby development week by week. Week 1. At this point, you are not officially pregnant yet. Your body is gearing up for ovulation and conception. Week 2. Like the first week, you are not pregnant yet. Your body is getting ready to ovulate. At the end of the week, ovulation will occur as your ovary releases an egg into your fallopian tubes. Week 3. This is the week where the egg and the sperm meet and fertilization takes place. Now your tiny baby measures about 0.1 mm to 0.2 mm, that is about size of a pinhead. Week 4. This is the week you will miss your period. Baby's neural tube, brain and backbone is already formed. The amniotic sac and fluids are forming for the protective cushioning of the baby. Week 5. In week 5, your baby's nerve system, tiny face, eyes, nose are starting to form. Heart is forming like a simple tube in structure. Week 6. At week 6, your baby's heart rate will be beating around twice of yours. Overall, the embryo is less than half an inch in length. Week 7. Your baby's arms, legs, mouth, tongue starts to form at this week. The kidneys are in place too and starts to begin their important work of waste management. Soon your baby will start producing urine. Week 8. Your baby is in the size of raspberry. Now the baby has got small lips, nose and eyelids. Amniotic fluid volume is increasing and your womb is getting bigger. Week 9. The head of the baby has straightened out and is more fully developed, and the ears are growing, making baby look more human. And this week, you can hear your baby's heart rate in ultrasound. Week 10. At week 10, your baby's growth is fast and furious. Baby is nearly 1.5 inches long and about the size of a prawn. Your baby has officially graduated from embryo to fetus and forming into a human shape. Week 11. Now your baby looks like a tiny human. Hands, feet and ears nearly in their final shape. Open nasal passages on the tip of the tiny nose and hair follicles are forming not just on the head but on the rest of the body. Week 12. Good news is you are at the end of the first trimester. Your baby is now a size of a lemon. All of your baby organs and body parts are in place.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.